Hi, my name is Sean and I'm a customer of QuickHomes. If anyone was thinking of getting a cabin, I would recommend talking to QuickHomes. Because of the housing market at the moment, it was just too difficult to buy. So myself and my parents decided to get this cabin built in the back garden as a stopgap, just to help me out and just to give me a place of my own, a bit of independence. We did have a garage and we just converted the garage into this log cabin. We knew the measurements of the actual size it was going to be, but until you're actually here, we didn't actually fully realise what kind of potential that we had. Like the living area here is huge. It has everything that you need: the sofa, the kitchen, even the bathroom. Just plenty of room. It fits 2 people in there, even brushing their teeth. The bedroom's a perfect size for 1 or 2 people because it has a double bed in there, along with wardrobes and room to walk around. I suppose probably the best part of having this here is that it's completely separate to the house, so that you can't even see the main house there that you're living in, as opposed to the cabin. And we do have this private entrance here that leads into the back lane that you're able to walk in, and a lovely little decking area here as well. So it's completely private, it's completely secluded. You know, it's essentially like a 1-bedroom apartment, all in one, and everything here is just what you need.